Hello, this is Arun Kumar from Lionshead. I'm going to give you a installation as demo for this product. The product is a dual monitor stand. Customer can fix 17 to 38 inches monitor in this arm. So total capacity, weight capacity, each arm can support 20 kg. Thank you. Step 1, you have to paste the stickers 1, 2, 3 because your table will be hurt. So we are going to paste the stickers. Okay, the sticker has been be pasted. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so customer have to do the first work as this. Dear customer, first, second, and third, three stickers have been pasted. Okay, because your table will be hurt. That's why we just pasting the sticker. So this is the process. Thank you. This is the solid C clamp. Okay. In this C clamp, if you see one, two screws have been given. First, you just remove it. And if you see this part also we just given the double side tape because your table will be hurt. That's why we just given the rubber bush for the C clamp tightening purpose. Thank you. இப்போ இது எப்படி வைக்கணுமா? Okay, we have to there is a screw we just given two screw. Customer have to join the screw on the C clamp. It's a easy only, very easy only. That's it. Okay, installation has been done. I'm going to groom the table. So this is the Alanki management. So you just put it to Alanki. Customer can fix it. That's it. Alanki. Okay. Customer, you just put it here. Okay, and down it. Backside, you just keep to Alanki. You keep it down. And the next step, customer have to put the dual arm. That's it. So backside we just put the Alanki shelter. Customer have to tighten it. Okay, this is the top level. If you see there is a big size bolt with the Alanki we just given. Customer have to tighten it. Okay, the installation has been done. Okay, 70% has been completed. So we are going to fix the monitor 32 inches. I'm going to fix it and show you. Okay, I'm going to fix the 32 inches. Okay, so this is the visor. Customer have to put the 4 screw only. Customer have to use their own gadget screwdriver because screwdriver it's not included with the product. Okay, this is the mounting has been done. If I shake, there is no shake and wobble. Okay, customer, when before fixing, you have to check it everything is set or done or not. Okay, okay, lock has been done. Once it locked, customer have to put this gadget. So it's locked. So I'm going to install the second monitor in the bracket. That's it. So it's done. So we just installed dual monitor and then we have to put the wire management. Totally we are giving this clip 4 units. Okay, and this is the normal velcro wire management. Totally we are giving 3 units to the customer because lot of wire customer can use. This is the velcro strap customer so easily use. We are giving 3 units. So we just fixed the dual monitor in this dual monitor mount. So I just fixed 32 inches. So customer also fixed 38 inches also. You can keep your two keyboard and you just work on. Okay, if you need the tilt, you can do it. Okay, so both side you can tilting option is there. Okay, so this is the best tilting mode. And if you need the any plus 5 degree range, for plus 5 degree, customer can do it. Okay, this is the plus 5 degree. And then if you need the portrait mode also, you can do it. So this is the portrait mode. This portrait mode, if you have touch screen, you can do the touch screen as per your working convenience. It's a fantastic product. Thank you.